Corde Ecclesiae, written by Pope John Paul II. About Corde Ecclesiae. Pope John Paul II promulgated the Apostolic Constitution on August 15, 1990, and it went into effect the next year. It defined his vision of what a Catholic university should be. It is used as a guideline for Catholic universities, mainly highlighting the Catholic identity and responsibilities of a university. Every Catholic university, as Catholic, must have the following essential characteristics. 1. A Christian inspiration in both the community and individuals. 2. A willingness to grow in faith and knowledge to which it seeks to contribute by its own research. 3. Faithfulness to the Church and her messages. And 4. A commitment to help serve the people of God in matters of faith. Through these characteristics, the objective to ensure a Christian presence in the university world, which confronts the vast problems of society and culture, is accomplished, all of which is done in an institutional manner. These are what sets Catholic universities apart from the other institutions of higher learning. The Catholic identity. Catholic universities are bound by their institutional commitment to be influenced by the inspiration and light of the Christian message. By that, Catholic ideas, attitudes, and principles affect and inform university activities in accordance with the proper nature and autonomy of these activities. Simply put, a Catholic university must be an institution of learning, while at the same time Catholicism must have a strong presence and activeness. Research. Every university is called to search for meaning, but a Catholic university responds to this need in the interest of its Christian inspiration. Moral, religious, and spiritual dimensions must be included in both its methods and discoveries. Research must necessarily include the search for an integration of knowledge, a dialogue between faith and reason, an ethical concern, and a theological perspective. Through research, Catholic universities seek to explore the roots and causes of the serious problems of our time, taking into account their ethical and religious dimensions. By its very nature, each Catholic university contributes in an important way to the Church's mission of evangelization. They are a living institutional witness to Christ and his message, which is especially important in today's secular cultures or in places where his message remains unknown. Evangelization is carried out through all the basic academic activities of a Catholic university. In terms of development, research is implemented by the light of the Christian message, which finds new human discoveries and puts them at the service of society and individuals. Catholic universities also make the task of evangelization easier through the theological research that translates the faith into contemporary language. Thus, the dialogue with culture makes the faith better understood. Catholic universities provide professional training that integrates ethical principles and a sense of service to society, individuals, and the Church. Men and women are educated in a faith context, which helps them form rational and critical judgment and awareness of the dignity of the human being. Pastoral ministry is that activity which offers the members of the university community an opportunity to integrate religious and moral principles with their academic studies and non-academic activities, thus integrating faith with life, as described by Pope John Paul II. Pastoral ministry offers a means by which Catholic students can be prepared for an active participation in the life of the Church. Spiritual and apostolic life organizations, especially those directed at students, can be helpful in developing pastoral aspects in university life. Controversy. When Corde Ecclesiae came out, many had a problem with its mandatum, which required professors to secure a license from the local church authority to teach theology. Many were worried that the new standards would work against dissident theologians and that their freedom of inquiry would be compromised. There was concern that the Catholic identity would turn leading research schools into catechism schools. Modern world contradictions. Compared to other colleges and institutions of higher learning, Catholic universities can be expensive. However, they reward students with scholarships that help with the burden of costs. Another issue that Catholic universities face is the obstacle to speak out. The purpose of research done at a Catholic university is to figure out solutions to today's problems in society. They must have the courage to speak the truth in order to protect the good of society. even if the matter may be uncomfortable to the public.